Breathe cleaner air in your Doylestown home. Dust, allergens, pet dander and debris can build up inside your air ducts and dryer vents without you even noticing. Over time, this can affect your indoor air quality, increase energy costs, and even create serious fire hazards. At Cleaning Duct and Vent Cleaning, we help homeowners in Doylestown, PA, enjoy cleaner air, safer homes, and more efficient HVAC and dryer systems. Our professional air duct cleaning service removes dust, debris, mold particles, and contaminants from your HVAC system to improve airflow and indoor air quality. Whether you suffer from allergies, notice dust buildup, or want to improve your home's comfort, our expert team is ready to help. We also provide professional dryer vent cleaning in Doylestown to remove dangerous lint buildup that can reduce dryer efficiency and increase the risk of dryer fires. A clean dryer vent means faster drying times, lower energy bills, and improved safety for your family. Why homeowners trust Cleaning Duct and Vent Cleaning? Licensed and insured professionals, advanced equipment and proven cleaning methods, friendly and experienced technicians, affordable pricing and free estimates, serving Doylestown and surrounding Pennsylvania communities. Signs: you may need air duct cleaning, excess dust around vents, musty odors when HVAC runs, allergy or respiratory symptoms indoors, uneven airflow throughout your home, recently completed renovations or remodeling. Signs you may need dryer vent cleaning. Clothes taking longer to dry, dryer feels hot to the touch, burning smell during operation, excess lint buildup, dryer shutting off unexpectedly. Protect your home and breathe easier with trusted local professionals. Schedule your service today with Cleaning Duct and Vent Cleaning. Air duct cleaning in Doylestown. https://ecleaningductventcleaning.com. Air duct cleaning in Doylestown. Dryer vent cleaning in Doylestown. https://ecleaningductvent cleaning.com. Dryer vent cleaning in Doylestown. Call now for your free estimate and experience cleaner, healthier air today.